The 2026 Shelby Super Snake GT500 is a high-octane masterpiece that continues Shelby American's proud tradition of blending extreme performance with iconic Mustang design. Building on the legacy of Carroll Shelby, this vehicle pushes the boundaries of muscle car engineering, offering a thrilling driving experience and bold aesthetics that make it a standout on both the street and the track. Under the hood, the 2026 Super Snake GT500 boasts a heavily tuned 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that roars to life with an aggressive 850-plus horsepower. The factory GT500 was already a beast, but Shelby's enhancements take the performance to new levels. From upgraded supercharger systems and high-performance fuel injectors to a custom intake and exhaust setup, every detail is engineered for maximum output and responsiveness. This raw power translates into blistering acceleration, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times estimated well under 3.5 seconds, and a top speed that exceeds 200 miles per hour. Handling has also been refined with Shelby's proprietary suspension tuning, lowering the car for improved cornering while maintaining ride comfort. Performance-tuned mag-ride dampers and lightweight forged wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires ensure maximum grip and stability during high-speed maneuvers. A Brembo braking system with massive rotors and multi-piston calipers provides exceptional stopping power, a crucial feature for taming the Super Snake's immense speed. Design-wise, the 2026 Super Snake GT500 is unmistakable. The aggressive front fascia, vented hood, and wider fenders give it a muscular, race-ready appearance. A custom Shelby front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser improve aerodynamic efficiency while also enhancing visual impact. The carbon fiber components help reduce weight and increase downforce, which is vital for high-performance driving. Shelby badging and unique striping add to the exclusivity of this limited production powerhouse. Inside the cabin, performance meets luxury. Premium leather and Alcantara materials are used throughout, with custom Shelby embroidery on the seats and dash. A digital instrument cluster, updated for 2026, provides real-time performance data and customizable displays for track use. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced driver assistance features, ensuring the car is just as practical as it is thrilling. Optional racing harnesses and a rear seat delete package are available for those who plan to take their Super Snake to the track. Each 2026 Shelby Super Snake GT500 is built in limited numbers, with every unit receiving a unique serial number and registration in the official Shelby registry. This exclusivity ensures that the car remains a collector's item and a symbol of American muscle car heritage. With its blend of power, precision, and prestige, the 2026 Super Snake is more than just a vehicle, it's a bold statement on wheels. For enthusiasts who crave uncompromised performance and aggressive styling, the Super Snake GT500 delivers an adrenaline-fueled experience that's hard to match, making it a future classic in the world of performance cars.